liquid in here. She's thirsty. Woo, that was a good one. And I'm gonna do some purple, but let's do these squeezes first. We love powder here. That's our favorite thing. And we love layered squeezes. Ooh, that was good. Did you see it shoot up in the air? I'm on the road to 14K. Oh, I love when they do that. All right, we're gonna do, somebody sent for purple fabric softener, so I'm gonna do some fabric softener bombs for her. And I always do the bow last by herself, so nothing leaks out of her or anything. So don't worry, she will get squeezed. Go over there. Oh, her and her daughter silent watching, that's so cute. No, the guest requests are already starting. Aw, twin baby boys, that's so cute. All right, let's do some more powder now that she's juicy. Foca, we haven't done foca in a bit. I want to save one more round of foca so we can do green with it. Nope, I'm not washing them. We're playing in them. We are having adult playtime. Here we go. Thank you, Ash. Adult playtime. This is our fun when all our responsibilities are taken care of. We can have a little bit of me time. Hey, Elle. We need to get some more boats in here. What do we got? What do we got? We can do you and you. Oh. Oh, that got sloppy. Boats and hose. Boats and hose. Is somebody spamming? I haven't looked at the chat, sorry. I was focused on getting everything liquidy and getting some powder bombs going. All right. Party up in here. We have fun in here. Ooh, that's my favorite color. .4. Thank you guys so much for following. I love you guys. Thank you for the heart puff. Goodness, it's thick. This is a lot of sense, actually. Got the low battery, but we weren't squeezing, so we didn't miss anything. Thank you for the new follow. When I get the next battery, I have to get my charger. It dies so quickly. But the phone I'm watching on never. Like they both started, I start both at 100. This one's at 20 and that one's at 75. Oh, thank you. Do I have a liquid? She's just getting so thick in here. We are doing some adult playtime ASMR sponge squeezing. 1.6 views. Thank you guys. You guys stay watching me. I love you guys. I love this community. Are you guys able to see, like, are you guys able to sub? Like, is that option there? I turned it on over the weekend. We're gonna have some good perks. You guys will get free overload or combo every month. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, thank you. Last week we were up in the 4,000s. It was crazy in here. How about this? How about I'm 100% disabled veteran? That's my real job. I mean, you're in here jealous that we're making money like this. Telling us to get a real job. Anywhere you make money is a real job. Whether you Instacart, you DoorDash, you Uber Eats, you drive people, you squeeze sponges, you create content, you work in a club. It's all a real job. However you make money is a real job. Do not look down or talk down on anybody else because they're making money a way that you think is unconventional. Not nice, not kind. All right, let's do some more powder now that we got things thinned out. It's like they know my finances and how else I bring money. Because I tell you, baby, this does not bring money in. This brings money to make, to buy you guys more products. Yes, it does. All right, let's do some more baby powder. I'm scared of her. She makes me blind for a minute. It's so messy right now. I try to keep it clean, but it never works. It's already making all the powder smoke. I'm scared. The dust. No, don't be mean. Don't come up in here and be mean. We're being positive in here today. baby powder dust. Yes, thank you. Oh. I'm just joking. I'm not really coughing like that. But it does make me cough. Woo! Oh my goodness. I'm gonna add more liquid. I'm dying in here. Someone come save me. And it's like a menthol smell, so it's like a minty smell is going up my nose as I inhale the baby powder. I've done it in combos and it wasn't, I don't know. It's not that I hate it. It's just the powder dust coming up is a little rough. And then it makes everything really gluey. Right? I'm gonna be seriously dusting after this. I hope who sent for this is loving it. All right, let's get her a little juicy so we can use that last baby powder. Oh, it's glue. You can't hand mix that baby powder. It makes everything like glue. The only solution is some liquid. All right, be juicy. Oh, I have no more baby powder. I used it all. I only had 4, but it's $2 when I do have it. All right, let's use the last one. And then I do have recycled powder. I need to get her can of recycled powder for her. I'm scared. Last one. Hey, Goddessy, how are you, my love? Let me go get the recycled powder so we can do recycled squeezes. No, we're gonna do that separate. Just take this can and mix it on up. All right, you ready to watch me choke? I can do a combo if you want your own combo, or you can add to this, whatever you want, love. This is adult playtime. We're having fun up in here. Welcome back. Thank you for the heart me. Yes. When I get the recycled powder, I will get the charger from the front room. Check the clipboard for any questions you have about what we're doing. Yay, lunch. What are you having for lunch? And if you want to be mean or this isn't for you, I would highly suggest not being mean in the chat. Just leave. Just scroll on. I can't help people that can't help themselves. Nope, no thank you. Thank you so much for the heart puffs, love. All right, I need to get the recycled powder and my charger so I don't go